present tense. Now we will talk about use of past tense. Okay, so first form is simple past tense. So how we will use it? Let's see. Simple past tense is used to express an action that plays in the past time, that take place in the past time. मतलब yesterday it has been taken place, or previous month, previous year, like this. This tense is used to express the action that took place in the past time. For example, I played cricket yesterday, or you can say I saw the movie yesterday. I saw movie yesterday. So like this, which one action take place in the past time, that action is shown in simple past tense. Okay, now let's see the use of past continuous tense. Now where we will use past continuous tense? Past continuous tense is used to express an action which began and was continuing in the past time. Like we are saying in that particular time what you are doing. Particular time means yesterday in the morning time what you are doing. You can say that I was watching TV. I was watching TV yesterday in the morning. So at that particular moment what you were doing, to describe that an action, you will use past continuous tense. And I was watching TV when you came. Like this also you can say कि जब आप आए, at that particular moment I was watching TV. That particular moment, when we are talking about some particular moment, then we are using the past continuous tense. Now let's see the further two forms. Now we will see the use of past perfect tense. Third one is use of past perfect tense. So how we will use this past perfect tense? As I already told you that perfect tense shows the completion. What it shows? It shows the completion of something, completion of work, completion of something. So then you are using the perfect tense. Like when you want to say that I have finished my project yesterday, I have finished my project 2 days before, means this work I have already finished. So this here when past perfect tense is there कि मैं अपना ये काम कर चुका था, then this sense is there. You have to use past perfect tense. Like for example, I had finished my project yesterday. So already I had finished this. You have showing the completion here. So you will use the past perfect tense. One more example is there. The bus had arrived when I reached there. When I reached the bus stop. So like this also you will use the perfect tense. With when perfect tense is there and the other form you have to use simple past tense. Okay, with the past perfect you have to use if two sentences are there, so other one you have to use in the simple past tense. This is also the rule you have to keep in your mind. Okay, one more I will explain you. I had finished my project yesterday, showing the completion, and bus had arrived already there, मतलब ये हो चुका था. So this is also showing the completion. When I reached the bus stop. So this is the use of past perfect tense. Now let's see the use of past perfect continuous tense. Structure already I have sent to you. So please see the structure nicely and accordingly you have to use these tenses. Okay. Now use of past perfect continuous tense. Again here also that rule is there, like some work you have started in the past and other moment, particular moment, it was before a certain instant in the past, it was continuing. It was continuing. You have started some work in the previous time and then in the certain moment again at the yesterday or day before yesterday, it was still continuing. Then you are using past perfect continuous. For example, I had been studying yesterday since 9 AM. Means मैं पढ़ रहा था yesterday since 9 AM. मतलब full day you have done that work and full day you have started in the past at 9 AM, but full day you were continuing with this work. So that time you have to use past perfect continuous. Okay. One more example is there. I had been waiting for an hour. I had been waiting for an hour. See, time is there. For or since should be there. So I had been waiting for an hour when you came to see me. When you came to see me. कि आप आए, from that time I have been waiting for an hour. मतलब still he was waiting for that person when he came to see him. So I had been waiting for an hour when you came to see me. Like this also it can be used. Got it? This is past perfect continuous tense and other tense will come in simple past tense. So this you have to keep in your mind. When you are using perfect tense, one tense in perfect and other should be in the simple past. Like that here also one tense in the past perfect continuous and other should be in the simple past. So this is the rule you have to keep in your mind. So what it says that past perfect continuous tense shows that action had continued for a certain time before a certain instant in the past. Means you have continued some work from the past before and at the time again for the next day or for the full day you will also you were doing not future, this is for the past, and instant time certain time again you were doing the same thing. So then you have to use past perfect continuous. So that's all for the use of past tense. Got it? So this is the use of past tense. Thank you.